Today we have the Fast&up Reload. It is a instant electrolyte plus vitamins. It has mainly vitamin C and all the electrolytes that you can have, but it is not actually sugar free. It has almost 1 gram of sugar, and like all other Fast&up, you don't need a spoon, you just need to drop the tablet in the water and it will dissolve itself. Let's look at the ingredients. First is sodium chloride, then is potassium, then is potassium chloride, then is magnesium, then calcium, and then vitamin C and vitamin B12. So basically this will replenish your energy, and after workout it will work great for you because you have already lost a lot of sweat and minerals from your body. Now I will just open it and see how that looks. I actually have worked out just now, so I think it will help the electrolytes and vitamins. This is how the tablet looks, and now this will go into the glass. This is the berry flavor, as you can see, and while this tablet is dissolving in the water, I can already smell the strawberry flavor. The smell of strawberry is already coming out. It is still going slow, but I don't think I'll need any spoon anytime now because most of the Fast&up tablets do get dissolved by their own. Let's see how much time it takes. Unfortunately, the speed of the tablet was very slow, so unfortunately I had to bring a spoon. And if I compare this reload speed with the vitalized speed of dissolving into the water, I would say the Fast&up vitalized tablets dissolve very quickly. Like less than 30 seconds it will turn into an orange colored drink. But with reload I had to give it a 2-3 stirrs in the glass. Now let's see how the color looks. It's light pink, and there is no tablet residue now. Now while the smell was like a strawberry ice cream, the taste was more like the Alpenliebe strawberry candy that we used to have when we were a child. So I have kind of mixed feeling about this taste because the taste was kind of a candy, and it kind of like artificial flavor, not natural strawberry kind of flavor, but it's not bad. But that is on my take. You might like the flavor if you like strawberry, but it tastes like the Alpenliebe candy that we had in 90s. Otherwise, this is the good choice after your workouts to replenish your energy.